TS2600 is an integrated system for high-precision magnetic testing of motor and transformer cores, automatically measuring key parameters during stator core inspection. Place the sample at the designated position on the fixture. Click to open the software. In the System Parameter dialog, check the IP addresses. Then verify the communication serial port. In the User Parameter dialog, set the sample length and mass units. Open the Sample Data dialog from the Data menu. Select Sample Shape, Ring or U-shaped. This demo uses a U-shaped sample. Select Calculation Method. This demo uses the stacking factor method. Input the test core parameters: thickness, height, width. Select the recently saved sample model to load the sample data. Click either Test Point or Frequency to open the Settings dialog. Method 1. Set a series of test points by specifying the step value. Method 2. Add test points one by one. Click Start. The test begins and the winding tooling operates automatically. Open the Result Data dialog. Select the test result you want to view. Users can view the graphs, print the results and export the test data. Users can also manually control the winding tooling.